Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2009 Dodge Challenger SRT-8. It's finished in black with a black interior. And it's not your average Challenger though. This one is supercharged and intercooled. It's got about 550 horse. Mandrel bent 3-inch exhaust. Headers. Factory Brembos, front and rear. Also has Nitrous. It's a veritable system. You can adjust your shot. Never been used. Collector owned this car. Never been tracked or raced. Just a showpiece. Black interior with the suede inserts, original floor mats, 12,500 miles. Factory navigation, heated seats, 12,520 miles. Original owner's manuals. Gorgeous, gorgeous condition. Metallic in this paint. Beautiful. Six-one Procharged and Intercooled. Intercooler there. This is D1SC. Nitrous. Looks like a two-stage system. You could swap out the jets. I think it'd do like a $1.25 to 250 shot. Sounds great. Really nice. Tired of that. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.